Wow, pretty cool. And a nice padding. Sounds pretty nice too. And right here's your special function keys. There's your number lock, cap lock, battery, low battery indicator, and right here's your on and off switch. So right here is your receiver dongle right here. Just slide this out and put this on your PC or laptop. It's a 2.4 gigahertz. And you have this angle adjustment right here on the top. On the top of the keyboard and bottom. And you got this nice, those are the rubber feet. So it is non-slip. If you put on the glass or wooden table, it doesn't slide. Wow, right here is the rubber feet too, so it doesn't slide or slip. And now you got the rubber feet on the top and bottom right here, the circle. And right here you insert the battery. It takes two of the AA. So let's go and then test them out. So yeah, I got two of this rechargeable battery. I'm gonna insert in here. Non-slip, pretty stable. So yeah, it does work with the iOS or MacBook, but if you're gonna do the special function key, then most likely it's not gonna be compatible. It's only compatible with the Windows. Okay.